That's the bike I do all my videos on. KTM, aka keeps taking money. And this one's specialty, all sorts of leaks, coolant, oil, fuel, every now and then, yeah, always something to do. This time it started leaking from that plug. I see some butcher already put some silicone there. Alright, I was the butcher. I've done it for like 3 months ago, and it helped for a while. Yeah, good 3 months. Well, anyway, I got a new one, which is metal, because that's plastic, and see a little crack here, and probably that's why it started leaking. But anyway, clean it a bit first. Leaning toward the other side, so hopefully it shouldn't be leaking any oil. And also it's a dry sump on a KTM, so most of the oil is in that tank. Okay, let's take it out. The silicone everywhere. Okay, let's peel this off, get it nice and clean. Okay, let's see if the new one fits in the hole and if the thread is right. Yeah, seems like the right one. Okay, the one thing I want to do before I put it in, it's always good when you have some rubber seals to put a bit of oil on it, so it doesn't get stripped, pinched while you're tightening it. Okay, the manual says 8 Newton meters. With the torque wrench, it's good to exercise it, which is tightening all the way up and then undoing it all the way up, and then you set it to the torque you want. Yep. Yeah, that's 8. And yeah, there you have it. Hopefully, we'll stop the leak.